Hey everyone, welcome to HNR Creative Corner. Today I'm gonna show you an evening snack, and that is crispy and super tasty Veg Spring Roll recipe. So let's see how to make it. First, let's prepare filling for the roll. Here I have taken spring onions, carrots, capsicum and beans. You can take veggies of your choice. You can also use cabbage. First, take a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, to this I am going to add white part of the spring onions. If you don't have spring onions, you can use finely chopped one medium-sized onion. Saute for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add grated ginger. You can also add ginger garlic paste to it. Saute for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add green part of spring onions, capsicum, carrots and beans. Saute all the veggies on medium flame. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And that's it. I'm not going to add any sauces. Without a sauce you can make it a wonderful. Cook them on medium flame. Now our veggies are fried well. The rawness is also gone. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Let's prepare wrappers or creepers for the roll. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, little salt, mix well. Now we will add water as required. Mix well and add water in batches and prepare free-flowing batter. And the batter should be like this. Make the batter lumps free. Finally, add 2 pinch of baking soda and mix well. Baking soda is optional. If you don't have baking soda, you can skip it. Now it is ready. Take few drops oil on tawa. Grease well with oil on all the sides with the help of a tissue paper. Once the tawa is hot, keep the flame on low. Now add 1 ladleful batter and slowly spread thin like this. Don't touch in between or do not add oil. Cook it on low flame. This is a perfect and easy way to make wrappers or sheet for the roll. As you can see here, sheet is dried well. Now slowly remove and transfer onto a oil greased plate. We need to grease oil to a plate and then we need to place the sheets so that it won't stick onto the plate. Now make all the wrappers with remaining batter. Take prepared sheet, add 1 tablespoon of filling, fill it nicely and then wrap like this. Apply slurry of same batter on edges to seal the roll. And pack tightly like this. Spring rolls are ready to fry. You can also store for 4 to 5 days in fridge. And finally, we will deep fry all the spring rolls. Deep fry them until they are brown in color. And that's it. The crispy and super tasty veg spring rolls are ready to be served. You can have this with sauce or mayonnaise. Thank you so much for watching my video.